How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me? So what's up guys, for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang super easy chords version ng How Can I Tell Her by Lobo. So ayun guys, so disclaimer lang guys, hindi po ako professional at hindi rin ako nag-aral ng musika. So basa lang ito sa aking mga experience. So ayun guys, so kailangan muna natin ito ng ating gitara at so nauka po tayo guys. So step by step yung ating magiging guitar tutorial. So ayun guys, ang gagamitin natin na chords ay chords of D, A, G, E, at basic chord ng B minor. So yung ating magiging strumming pattern ay down, down, up, up, down, down. So ulitin natin. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. So bago tayo mag-start guys, ipapakita ko muna yung ating sample para sa ganun may idea kayo. So ayun guys. When I'm lonesome, she cries when I'm sad. She's out in the good times, she's down in the bad. And whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. So, ganito yung ating magiging intro guys. So, sa intro natin is pluckings. So, yung chords natin ay D. Pero aalisin natin itong ating middle finger. So, ganito siya guys yung magiging chords natin. At ipla-pluckings natin ay 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2. Ulit. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2. So, tapos na tayo sa ating intro. So, pumunta na tayo sa ating verse 1. She knows when I'm lonesome, she cries when I'm sad. She's out in the good times, she downs in the bad. And whenever I'm discouraged, what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her much troubles. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her tight. We can talk of tomorrow. There are things I want to do. Let go. How can I tell her about you? Chorus. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say I didn't think of every single night today? But when it isn't easy, getting someone who hurt you, oh girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? So dito po nagtatapos ang ating video guys. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video na to. At kung may natutunan ka sa video na to, huwag mo kakalimutan pong mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa aking mga upload videos. So ayun guys, pag-i-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel para ma-reach ko na yung ating 1K subscriber. At tulungan nyo po akong maabot yung 4,000 watch hour. So ayun guys, thank you ng napakarami, and please comment, like, and please share. So ayun guys, thank you so much guys, and keep safe. God bless.